replacing a cord cap, on an extension cord, on a power cord. If you have a power tool and the cord gets damaged or burnt or broken, that's what this video is about. So some of the basic tools you'll need to do this: screwdriver, wire strippers, wire cutters, a good box cutter, razor blade so you can remove the insulation, and then of course the new cord cap. Cord caps come for both female and male ends, as you can see in the picture. Some are better quality than others. The ones you see here pictured on the right hand side, I prefer those. They're more of an industrial grade, more heavy duty. So the one you see here, the black one in the picture, is a cheaper, it's not industrial grade. It works, but the screw terminals aren't as secure inside. You'll see in the video. So I don't prefer this cheaper kind. I prefer the more industrial kind. So this video is going to show you how to replace a cord cap on an extension cord or a power cord of any kind, really. This is for a 120 volt single phase cord. You can see that the female end has been cut off because it was damaged. You can buy female or male cord caps at Lowe's or Home Depot or Ace Hardware, and they're different styles. And just check the rating. You can see this one's a 15 amp, 125 volt, NEMA 5-15. So some are rated for 20 amps. This one's only rated for 15 amps. Basically what we're going to do is strip off the insulation and expose the hot, neutral, and ground wire. And there's connectors inside of here that will connect the hot, neutral, and ground wire up to. And on these plugs, the small slot is your hot wire or your black wire. The larger slot is your white wire or your neutral wire. And then this bottom one here, this sort of round mouse hole looking one, that's where your green ground wire gets attached. So I'm going to strip off the insulation now. So again, your green ground screw, ground wire goes there. The brass colored is your hot, your white or silver color is your white. So white to bright, black to bronze or brass, and then green to ground. Maybe that kind of helps you remember. And some of these are different. This one just has screw terminals. This is kind of a cheap one. It's not a higher quality one. So what I'll do is I'll wrap the wires around the terminals and then tighten them down, and then close this back up and screw it back on. Okay, so I connected all 3 wires to their proper terminals. Like I said, this is kind of a inferior cord cap. They have better ones where they have actual ports. It's like a small hole. You can stick the wire straight in and then tighten it down. This kind, you have to make a loop in your wire, like a little hook with your wire, then tighten these screws down really well. And then so now this guy folds down like that. Now that all our wires are connected, and then we put the screw back in. And that's it. So now this cord is fully functioning again. But again, I'd recommend getting a better quality one than this. This is the only one I had on hand for this video. They make better quality, more heavy duty cord caps in both female and male.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment,